Uploading images to your website without optimization can cause a lot of disadvantages for your online store, such as reduced page load speed and reduced website traffic. That's why you need to optimize the images on your Magento 2 store to ensure a smooth website experience. In this video, we'll share some tips that will help you optimize the images in your Magento 2 store. Number 1. Compressing the images. Uncompressed images cause a huge amount of overhead on your website. So you must compress your images first. Don't be afraid to lose picture quality. It's not as bad as it sounds. For the best compression results, we recommend you use a server-side tool along with a CDN. Sounds tricky? Don't worry. We are here to help. Check out the link in the description below to contact our Magento developers for help and support. Let's move on to number 2, that is, using Webp format images. PNG and JPG image formats are outdated and big in size. It makes them load longer and slow down your website performance correspondingly. Webp file format can save up to 30% in size over JPEG, with zero image quality loss. The third tip that we have for you is to use SEO Friendly Images. No one can underestimate image optimization for SEO. As Google is a highly active search engine, it is essential to optimize your images accordingly. It is essential to add proper alt tags in order to give information to the search engines. You must create website maps to improve the image's visibility in image search results. Tip number 4 is choosing the best image size. What is the best image size for websites? The size of your images varies depending on where you want them on your website. The optimal file size for images on a website is no more than 200 kilobytes. For full-screen background images, between 1500 pixels to 25,000 pixels wide, and for most other images a max width of 800 pixels. Keeping images between these parameters will ensure that they load properly on computers and mobile screens. Tip number 5, use an image lazy load extension. An image lazy load extension can be used to enable lazy load for the images on your Magento 2 store to improve page speed and reduce the page size. It can have a drastic impact on your online store performance. Last but not the least, take help from a professional. A professional developer can help you optimize the images on your website in every possible way. They can help you use relevant keywords for the image file names, and use the proper alt attributes ideal for SEO purposes. They can help you optimize the image thumbnail and also use image CDNs for the best conversion results. For this, you can turn to HumCommerce Magento developers for hassle-free image management and other services for your Magento 2 store. Check out the link in the description box below to get help from our specialists. That's it, follow these simple tips for optimizing the images on your Magento 2 store and you're done. For more such tips and information on Magento, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video.